Until I met her, there was no one else I wanted. Until I met her, there was no one I needed. Until I met her. But one day there she was, the girl I thought was just perfect. There she was standing in front of me. How did I miss this person? Why didn't I see? She was the most beautiful girl I had ever met, and who just put out the most perfect vibe. I could tell this instantly by the glint, the sparkling, affectionate eyes. I should not forget to mention that most enchanting smile. Until